Pebbles. How sweet are you? Oh, do you want to join in? You wanna lockpick with me? Oh, aren't you so pretty? So sweet. Oh, you want lockpick too? How cute is that? No, no, it's for picking locks. Pebbles. Pebbles. Now, Pebbles. Look, Pebbles. Pebbles. I'm sure these people would love looking at your beautiful coat. But I do need to try and pick a lock, okay, Pebbles? Can I see this? Oh, you won't be petted? Okay. Oh, Pebbles. Come on, Pebbles. Now I gotta pick this lock. Okay, Pebbles. You gonna support me? Oh, I love you too, Pebbles. It's okay, Pebbles. You can be my little support while we try and pick this lock. Now can you move your head a little bit while we try and make this happen? Pebbles. Alright, Pebbles. We're gonna do this right above your head, okay? So I'm trying to do this right above your head. Cause I know you like the attention. Yes, Pebbles. Come watch. Be my support. Yes, Pebbles. Come look. Come. Yes. Watch Daddy pick a lock. No, it needs to go